こんにちは、ゆみです。
And this is Clay. We're continuing with our One Piece marathon, and if you missed any of the previous videos, we have links in the description below. And we'll also make a playlist for this. So when we last left, we're on this side trip. We don't really know much about what's happening to Doofy right now. We think he's dead, but of course he's not because there are 99 more manga out there with him in it. This is a side story about this lady pirate that we're finally getting to see what she looks like. Previously, it kind of hinted at, she says, who's the most beautiful woman in the sea? And of course, everyone says, you are the most beautiful woman in the sea. And we're about to find out, well, I don't know. We'll see what happens. And she's not a very nice lady. So let's get started and see what happens.
誇り一つ残すんじゃないよ、お前たち。へい。女海賊金棒のアルビダ。もういいよ、グズだね、お前は。ガン、へへ。すみません。謝ってる暇あったら便所でも掃除してきな。はい、すぐに、アルビダ様。すぐに。何？酒樽が海岸に流れてきただと？雑よコビー。はい。まだ中身も入ってるようなのでどうしたらいいでしょうか。ゴロ。そりゃいい。俺たちで飲んじまおう。しかし兄弟、もしお頭にバレたら俺たちは、なーにバレやしねえよ。このことを知ってんのは酒蔵掃除の俺らと、ヘッポココビーの4人だけだ。それもそうだな。わかってんな、コビー。ギロ。はい、もちろん。僕は何も見てません。えへへ。だから殴らないでく。誇り一つ残すんじゃないよ、お前たち。
You better not leave any dust. She's very, very clean. Kireizuki ne. She likes her boat to be clean. So hokori means dust. Hitotsu, not even one speck. Don't leave a single speck of dust.
お前たち。
You guys.
へい。
I guess that's yes. Hi.
Yes ってこと。はいってこと。
Yeah, and they're very eager to obey. They're scared of her. We've already seen her, I guess, kill one of her crewmates with her iron bow. What was it? Kanabo. With the iron club. So she's a scary lady.
女海賊金棒のアルビダ。これがこの人の名前みたいね。
Yep, the woman pirate Arubida, which the woman.
金棒のアルビダ。
Okay. So she's known because she's known for her.
そう、
her club, her iron club.
もういいよ、グズだね、お前は。ガン。
So guzu, what does that mean? You're slow. You're not.
そう、あんまり仕事ができない。ちょっとゆっくりしかできない。
You're lazy.
レイジーじゃなくてできないって感じ。
Okay. Worthless.
そう。
All right. So it's not a very nice word.
グズは良くないね。お前は。
Okay. So もういいよ. That's enough. Stop it. Guzu da ne. You are worthless. お前は you.
普通磨けって言ってから磨いてたんだけどね。
Okay. That's right. So in the previous lesson, she said, clean my shoes or shine my shoes. And he was doing that, and now she's changed her mind, saying, you're worthless. Get away.
すみません。
Again, this is a nervous laughter, and he says, I'm so sorry.
謝ってる暇あったら便所でも掃除してきな。
If you have time to apologize, well, why don't you go clean the toilets or clean the latrine?
ひどいね。
ひどいですね。Hima means with the free time or you have time. If you have time to apologize, benjo. Benjo is a name for a toilet.
はい、すぐに、アルビダ様。
So he's going to go clean. He says, yes, I'll do it right away. I guess this is the island that they mentioned in the previous one. But there's some sort of a warehouse, and they're parked there.
すぐに。
Shun. So he shows that he's sad.
何？酒樽が海岸に流れてきただと？雑よ、コビー。はい。まだ中身も入ってるようなので、どうしたらいいでしょうか、ゴロ。
So Kobe, the young boy, left the ship and he's going to this warehouse. Let's see. So the man that's receiving him, there are a lot of barrels inside. I think this is some sort of a storage place for the pirates to keep their whiskey, their alcohol. Nani? What? Sakadaru?
酒樽はお酒が入ってる樽ね。
A barrel, yes. A barrel of a wine barrel or something to keep the alcohol in. So you say a barrel of booze washed up on the beach, and then Zatsuyo, I guess that's talking about his job. Kobe does all sorts of just anything, miscellaneous jobs, odd jobs. So, and then Kobe.
はい、まだ中身も入ってるようなのでどうしたらいいでしょうか。
And there still appears to be something in the barrel. So of course, they're assuming that is whiskey or some sort of alcohol. Mada, so still nakami. Nakami is the inside, so something inside. Haiteru is something still there. Yona, that it seems, it appears that. Doshitara ii deshou ka? So what should we do? What should I do? I don't know what to do.
そりゃいい、俺たちで飲んじまおう。
Soriai, that's great. We will drink it all.
しかし兄弟、もしお頭にバレたら俺たちは。
Shikashi, so, but, kyodai, so they're like, like brother, whether they're real brothers or not, that's just what they're saying. Moshi, if, kashira is the head, so I guess it's talking about the pirate lady.
そう、アルビダ。お頭、そう、アルビダさんね。アルビダ様ね。
Yeah, bare means to reveal or to find out. So what if our leader, kashira literally means head, right? So what if our leader or head finds out about it? We will, oretachi.
何バレやしねえよ。
Now what? We won't get found out. No one will tell her.
このことを知ってんのは酒蔵掃除の俺らとヘッポココビーの4人だけだ。それもそうだな。
Okay, about this thing, the wine in the barrel. About this thing, who knows of it? As for who knows of it? The Sakagura, I guess that's that's the brewery, and then soji, the cleaning. So the cleaners of the brewery.
酒蔵はね、このお酒を入れておく倉庫のことね。
Oh, okay. So where they keep, okay. So maybe not necessarily a brewery, but where they keep the barrels of wine. So us who clean or keep this place clean, and heppoko.
ヘッポコはちょっと弱い、あまり何もできない、力のない人ってこと。いつも間抜けなことばっかりしてる。
Just the useless or someone they look down on. Kobe, poor Kobe, he's getting he's called all sorts of names. Although we do know that from the last one that he has some sort of chishiki, umi no chishiki, some knowledge of the sea. Maybe it's a treasure map, maybe it's something, but he has some usefulness to the pirates. But they're all saying he's useless. So the only ones that know about this matter are us and this useless Kobe. And then the other guy says,
それもそうだな。
I guess that's true, but it kind of shows like, I don't know, we don't want to make her upset.
分かってんな、コビー。
You understand? You got it, Kobe? You be quiet.
はい、もちろん。僕は何も見てません。えへへへ。だから殴らないでいく。
So of course, もちろん, of course, 僕, I did not see anything, or I'm not seeing anything. I didn't see anything. And nervous laughter again. He's really good at nervous laughter. And then dakara, therefore, do not hit me. Do not attack me.
誇り一つ残すんじゃないよ、お前たち。へい。女海賊金棒のアルビダ。もういいよ、グズだね、お前は。ガン、へへ。すみません。謝ってる暇あったら便所でも掃除してきな。はい、すぐに、アルビダ様。すぐに。何？酒樽が海岸に流れてきただと？雑用コビー。はい。まだ中身も入ってるようなのでどうしたらいいでしょうか。 ゴロ。そりゃいい。俺たちで飲んじまおう。しかし兄弟、もしお頭にバレたら俺たちは、なーにバレやしねえよ。このことを知ってんのは酒蔵掃除の俺らと、ヘッポココビの4人だけだ。それもそうだな。わかってんな、コビー。ギロ。はい、もちろん。僕は何も見てません。えへへへ。だから殴らないでく。
We're going to find out what happens next, which brings the return of our hero, Doofy, in the next video. Until then, see you later. Bye bye.